So you might be in a situation where for some reason iOS 18.7.3 or 18.7.4 is not installing on your iPhone. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, you have to have either an iPhone 10, 10R, or 10R, 10S, or 10S Max, not a 10, 10R, 10S, or 10S Max in order to install that update. So if you have an iPhone 17 like mine or another iPhone like this, you will not be able to update your iPhone to that particular version. So kind of keep that in mind. Now, another thing to keep in mind here is that you might just need to go through and go inside of your iPhone settings here. If you do have one of those phones, you want to tap on software update right over here, and you just want to go through and see if you can refresh this update. You can also go through and remove under beta updates. You might have to go through and manually click on iOS 18, because sometimes if you're stuck on iOS 26, you won't be able to see that update. So click on iOS 18, you should be able to see that little pop-up happen there. Now, if that still doesn't work, the next thing I'd recommend doing here is to go through and clear out some iPhone storage. So sometimes you might just have to go through and clear out some storage on your iPhone. You might have to delete a game or two, you might have to delete something like that in order for you to actually kind of, get some more capability, get some more storage on your phone, because that can be another really important thing that I'd recommend doing, and that might end up addressing it and fixing it in your particular situation as well. If that's still not working, you can try restarting your iPhone. So hold the volume up and the power button, slide a power off your iPhone, give it a few seconds, power back on. That can be another thing I'd recommend doing, and if none of those things work, you might want to try going through and try restarting your iPhone or using a computer like a Mac or PC in order to install the update. So, it's kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.